Viewers, let's shift our attention. Congress ally in India bloc, the Communist Party of India, the CPI, had to withdraw a poster, that poster on your screen, featuring Bharat Mata. This happened in Kottayam in Kerala. This exposes hypocrisy of an ecosystem, viewers, that champions terrorists like Burhan Wani, Yaqub Memon, Afzal Guru, and even Maoist terrorists. But they have a problem with this, with Bharat Mata, with a mere depiction of Bharat Mata, a symbol of India's unity and sovereignty. Viewers, this selective outrage is a symptom of a deeper malaise. This ecosystem bends over backwards, and you know what they do. They go overboard to appease vote banks, even at the cost of national pride and integrity. Because Bharat Mata is an emblem born during the Swadeshi movement. It is not a communal caricature or a divisive icon. She represents the soul of India, its land, its people, its struggles, its aspirations. She is the motherland, draped in the tricolor, as you can see, embodying the sacrifices of countless freedom fighters who fought for a united India. But for the ecosystem, this symbol is somehow, you see, controversial and divisive. The CPI's swift withdrawal of the Bharat Mata poster, citing unnecessary controversy, speaks volumes about their priorities. Viewers, just consider the irony. This is an ecosystem that has time and again romanticized figures like Burhan, Yaqub, Afzal, and many more, responsible for countless deaths in India's heartlands. But they are often painted, the Maoists are often painted by this group as, you see, misunderstood revolutionaries. Yet a poster of Bharat Mata depicting her in a tricolor sari, holding the national flag, is deemed too controversial to stand. Why? Because it risks upsetting a carefully curated narrative, viewers, designed to placate certain communities for electoral gain. Viewers, I will tell you the real issue. It's not the image itself, but what it represents. A united India that transcends caste, creed, and community. For an ecosystem that thrives on divisive vote bank politics, this is the real problem. Let's quickly open this up. Anil Antony, national spokesperson of the Bharatiya Janata Party, Dr. Ranganathan stays on, Vivek Srivastava joins the debate, and Ashwini Kumar Mishra, leader of the Congress, still with us. Vivek Srivastava, काफी अच्छा लगा होगा आपको, कुछ दिन में नहीं था, कोई सवाल पूछने वाला नहीं होगा आपसे. आप ये बताइए, कोई बात नहीं है, ये भारत माता पोस्टर में क्या प्रॉब्लम है सर?
जी, आपने मार्क्सवाद पढ़ा है या कम्युनिस्ट आइडियोलॉजी थोड़ी मोड़ी भी पढ़ी है कि नहीं पढ़ी? बिल्कुल ही जीरो. वैसे पूछ रहा हूं मैं आपसे, आपने कुछ पढ़ा है? कुछ
ये देखिए, लास्ट टाइम आपने, मैं आपको बता देता हूं, मार्क्सवाद, लास्ट टाइम आपने मार्क्स की बात की थी, रिपोर्ट कार्ड की बात की थी, वो क्लिप आज भी वायरल है. सो यू नो, आई डोंट वांट टू गो देयर. डॉक्टर रंगनाथन को भी ठीक से याद है उन्होंने क्या कहा था. बट आप जवाब दीजिए. देखिए, पोस्टर है, मुझे बस ये बताइए, मार्क्सवाद छोड़ दीजिए, ये जो पोस्टर है उसमें भारत माता पोस्टर में क्या प्रॉब्लम है आपको?
जी सर, क्योंकि अगर आप मार्क्सवाद पढ़ेंगे, अगर आप चाहे एलएलबी की पढ़ाई करें, इकोनॉमिक्स की पढ़ाई करें, डायलेक्टिक मटेरियलिज्म पढ़ें, आई एम नॉट अ नेशनलिस्ट एंड आई डू नॉट बिलीव इन द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ नेशनहुड. मैं एक पेट्रियट हूं, आई एम अ पेट्रियोटिक मैन, आई पे माई टैक्सेस, आई एम ऑनेस्ट to my relationships around me with my neighbors, friends in the society. I am an animal rights activist also. I work for the workers. I am an honest patriot. But I am not a nationalist. They are two different things. I believe the world is going to be one day. आज आप narrow walls of the nations के लिए लड़ रहे हैं, लेकिन 100 साल, 200 साल, 300 साल बाद
narrow walls of the nation, ये तो
आज एक इंडिया के बैनर के अंडर हैं. आज yes,
JNU में वैकेंसी है. डॉक्टर रंगनाथन, do you want someone to teach this? Narrow walls of the nation.
पहली बात तो मैंने अभी ये देख रहा हूं विवेक को, ये पूरा पसीने से लथपथ है क्या? ये लॉजिक से भाग रहे हैं क्या?
नहीं, उनको आदत नहीं थी, 4-5 दिन में डिबेट पे आया नहीं. When he was told Pranesh is back, तो वो उनको पसीना आ गया.
नहीं, और मैं ये बता दूं, माय गुड फ्रेंड, ये लोगों को मार्क्सवाद समझा रहे हैं. भाई, डाई इलेक्ट्रिकल मटेरियलिज्म नहीं होता, ये पहले स्पेलिंग भी देख लो जरा, प्रोनाउंसिएशन भी देख लो, इलेक्ट्रिकल कुछ और है. नो बट लुक प्रणेश, कैन आई जस्ट हैव माय से विदाउट बीइंग इंटरप्टेड बाय माय गुड फ्रेंड विवेक? लुक, quote, because this is how they understand it. Quote, the country that lies north of the oceans and south of the snowy mountains is called Bharata, for there dwell the descendants of Bharat. Bharata is the land of works, in consequence of which men go to heaven or obtain emancipation. Unquote the Vishnu Purana, chapter 3, 400 BCE. We have always been there as one nation, one Bharat, one India. And this is what infuriates these communists. Pranesh, nations weaken not because of their past, but rather by how they are taught it. And for 70 years, these commies have taught us to glorify historical injustices and forget our glorious history. From Somnath to Kashi Vishwanath, from Bharatpur to Babarpur to Bakhtiyarpur, from Allahabad to Aurangabad, these injustices have deliberately been made visible to lionize the debasement, celebrate the humiliation. Look, those who love India deliberately, the point is, never need to be forced to love her. And those who don't, no amount of force will make them love her. Finally, what is wrong in venerating one's country? Even without saying Bharat Mata ki Jai, I love Bharat. And indeed at times am overcome by her personification as a mother. Also, personification of a nation as a motherhood, ideology agnostic, Soviet Union, China, India. Land is seen as one that gives birth and protects and sacrifices. And as far as outrage by this loony left is concerned, there is a reason why the most imbecilic and senseless among the human race embrace communism. You know why? These hammerheads mock Bharat being called a mother even as they admire the exact same personification celebrated by their comrades across the world. The statue of motherland calls is but one example. Dozens abound in China, Vietnam, and erstwhile Soviet Union. Look, there is nothing wrong in venerating one's country if it is not at the cost of venerating humanity. And we Bharatiyas / Indians have given to the world the most scientific epithet of all, Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. Pranesh, these communists adhere to an ideology that has killed 100 million people, and they talk of humanity. Honestly, there is no cure for communism. It can only be defeated through herd immunity.
No, there is no cure, I agree. But what we try and do by having Vivek Srivastava on our show is we tell the world that, look, we will expose them daily. Vivek Srivastava bol rahe narrow walls of the nation. Narrow walls of the nation. Bharat Mata, narrow walls of the nation. Anil Antony, how would you respond to those who have a problem with the portrait of Bharat Mata?
Thank you for having me in this show. What we are seeing from the left parties is nothing that is surprising. For the Bharatiya Janata Party and our proud Karyakartas, our proud members, the country is our motherland. Every single person in this country are our children of our motherland, our own citizens, and it is aligned to our Honorable Prime Minister's vision of Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sabka Vishwas also, where we are, for us 140 crore people without any divisiveness, we are taking them forward to a Vikasit Bharat. Some days back, there was an incident. I come from Kerala. In Kerala, in the Raj Bhavan, there was an incident where the governor was having an event where there was one portrait of Bharat Mata. One of the communist ministers, that time it was a CPM minister, who refused to even attend the event, saying that apparently the portrait is not something that is described in the constitution. This is what he was suggesting and saying, and he boycotted it. Now 2 days back again, the CPI has taken down one of the posters. Something which is very fascinating is during the independence movement, during that point of time, many of the communist leaders were a part of the freedom struggle also, and they had absolutely no problem in saying Bharat Mata ki Jai. They were all saying that also. But now what has happened is it is just appeasement at its peak. Again, I come from Kerala. In just some months back, like maybe a year back, there was one of the Hamas terror leaders who actually...
Too many examples. You're right. There are too many examples of, Hamas leader being platformed. The state had no problems. Killers being eulogized in a political rally, all of that. But Vivek Srivastava have a problem when you say narrow walls of nation. Really? Yahi hai aapka? You will celebrate. You will celebrate terrorists, your comrades.
No.
are writing
believe
letters
workers
for
of the world
Maoists.
unite.
Vivek Srivastava.
Our slogan-
No, 1 minute. Your comrades are writing letters for Maoists. You have a problem with Bharat Mata?
No, obviously, extrajudicial killing, we are supposed to oppose them.
Who said?
All the left
Who
parties
said?
joined
Xi
hands and we
Jinping
made
told
the
you
president
that.
and-
Who said the crackdown on Maoists was extrajudicial?
We believe in the President of India. If the government is doing something wrong, as democratic parties who believe in the Constitution and the Election Commission, we went to the President and complained. What is wrong in it? What is wrong in it?
How can you call
You
it
can't say that.
extrajudicial killing?
We never. No, I mean that is a different debate altogether.
No,
in that
why
case.
is that a
But then
different
we
debate?
went
No,
to the
why is that a
President
different
and
debate?
we
अब
said
आप भागिए,
that
अब आप देखिए भाग रहे हैं. How is that a different debate?
नहीं मैं जी
आप-
मैं
अच्छा,
नहीं
ये
भागा,
बताइए,
मैं
आपको
नहीं
पसीना
भागा।
क्यों आ रहा है?
Different debate because we feel
वो डॉक्टर रंगनाथन पूछ रहे हैं आपको पसीना क्यों आ रहा है?
नहीं मैं बाहर बैठा हूँ इसलिए पसीना आ रहा है नो नहीं मैं आपको बताता हूँ
नहीं
मेरे
तो
पसीना
बाहर
क्यों आ
बैठे
रहा
हैं तो क्या है? कम्युनिज्म और कार्ल मार्क्स ने बोला था सब जगह एसी रहेगा. अब आपको गर्मी आदत नहीं है, ग्रास रूट के नेता है नहीं आप, आपको एसी की आदत लग गई है. विवेक श्रीवास्तव, आप जमीन से जुड़ जाइए.
भाई साहब
अभी आपके एलाय जो है कांग्रेस के नेता है अश्विनी जी, भारत जोड़ो तो चलाया था आप लोगों ने. ये भारत माता की तौहीन कर रहे हैं, इस पे कुछ नहीं बोल रहे हैं आप लोग.
भारत माता की जय, इसमें मुझे कोई आपत्ति नहीं है. आई एम टोटली इन फेवर ऑफ माद्रे वतन, बट आई फील दैट इज इन हिंदू आइडियोलॉजिकल सिंबलिज्म. And our country is a secular country, and it should run by constitution. So neither I oppose or force it on someone
Wow.
to believe Bharat Mata ki jai or not.
दिस इज नॉट सेक्युलरिज्म सर, इसको मैं मन की बैलेंसिंग बोलता हूं. समय है नहीं तो मैं आपको समझाता. ये आपको कब पता चला? दिस इज एन असॉल्ट ऑन नो द पोस्टर ऑफ भारत माता you think is an assault on secularism? Really? When did the Congress realize this?
I did not say that. I said I cannot force it on someone. If someone believes differently about this, it's
I'm
their
not
call.
asking you to force it on anyone. Vivek Srivastava को हंसी है. I am asking you to take a stand. Is that difficult?
See, as a Congress party, as an individual, as an Hindu, I believe in Madre Vatan. I believe in Bande Mataram.
आप जवाब
Having
नहीं दे
said
रहे.
that,
Dr. Ranganathan, how many times have we heard this? You see, this is not secular.
नहीं, पहले तो मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा कि विवेक कम से कम जो कन्हैया कुमार सीपीआईएम छोड़ा था तो एसी लेके भाग गए थे, उनसे कम से कम एयर कंडीशनर वापस ले लीजिए, पसीना नहीं आएगा. कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी ने उनको सपोर्ट किया और वो कांग्रेस में चले गए. या हो सकता है कि विवेक भी अभी कांग्रेस ज्वाइन करना चाहते हैं, वहां पे तो बहुत एसी हैं. अगर रॉबर्ट वाड्रा के कमरे में बैठना है तो बहुत एसी मिल जाएंगे, वो प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी विवेक को. और अभी तो 18 डिग्री से नीचे भी जाना चाहते हैं, वो पता नहीं है जाना चाहेंगे कि नहीं जाएंगे. बट लेट्स कम बैक टू दिस डिबेट. What is their objection? I want to show you something. Can the communists see this? This is the communists calling their nations as motherland. You want to see another? Look at this. Look at these statues. विवेक जरा देख लो, मार्क्सिज्म पढ़ा है कि नहीं पढ़ा है बोल रहे हो, दुनिया को उपदेश दे रहे हो. ये वियतनाम में देखो, और ये अपनी कंट्री चाइना में देख लो. ये सब माए
बोलिए विवेक
हैं.
श्रीवास्तव, आंसर, यू हैव द लास्ट वर्ड. बताइए सर.
अरे भाई listen, देखिए, you need to know what is the Communist International and the Comintern. You need to know how Stalin facilitated the revolution in China.
अरे आंसर
helped
द
Mao and a
क्वेश्चन.
revolution.
1 minute. विवेक श्रीवास्तव, कहां से कहां जा रहे हैं? आंसर द क्वेश्चन. इफ भारत माता इज रॉन्ग, हाउ इज दिस राइट?
Narrow nationalism.
नैरो नेशनलिज्म ये क्या है? दिस ग्लोबल नेशनलिज्म इज
That
फाइन.
is right. Absolutely not. Communists do not believe in the concept of nationalism. We believe workers of the entire world should unite. उनकी सबकी हालत खराब है, whatever be the मुल्क, including पाकिस्तान.
एक
हम
काम
नहीं
कीजिए.
चाहते इसीलिए कि इंडस वाटर ट्रीटी को सस्पेंड किया जाए.
तो नैरो वॉल्स ऑफ द
आप-
नेशन, you see you have such a problem with nation. सीपीआई में से आए, हटा दीजिए आप. हटा दीजिए आप, सीपीआई में से आए, क्या बच जाएगा? हटा दीजिए सर.
सीपी, हाँ, और आप सीपी को पढ़ो, वो ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है, चाहे
आप
सीपी ऑफ
यही है प्रॉब्लम.
या
यू
सीपी ऑफ यूनाइटेड
सी
स्टेट्स ऑफ
योर लॉजिक इज
या-
रिस्ट्रिक्टेड टू सीपी. वही प्रॉब्लम है. आप सीपी से आगे बढ़ ही नहीं पा रहे हैं वो, ये we've run out of time. Dr. Ranganathan, let's keep this for some other day. I thank all of you gentlemen for joining us. विवेक श्रीवास्तव, अब शो खत्म हो रहा है, you can breathe easy, कोई बात नहीं, और एसी की आदत छोड़ दीजिए सर, जमीन से जुड़ जाइए. Viewers, thanks for watching. The news are coming up on the other side.